Hello everyone, lesson number 44, and we've finally got to the end of the verse of Bohemian Rhapsody. Before you can see that we repeat back, there's that repeat sign, and we've got this first time bar we've come across before as well. We'll come back to that in a second. We've got some familiar patterns here which we're going to play in a second, and this is what we're going to do today. We're going to do the right hand and the left hand of this pattern here, and then this bit we're going to tackle next time, which is sort of sits on its own. And it's the classic bit, which is the and so on. So we're going to do this bit first. We're going to sort of end the verse here, and I'm going to do two hands to go. So let's look at the right hand first. We start with G, and then B flat and E flat. Again, I don't mind what fingering you do, as long as the thumb is on the G. So we'll do E flat and B flat, and G with rock twice. So 1 and 2 and. Here it is again. 1 and 2 and. And then for the next two beats, all that happens is this E flat goes down to a D. And we just do D and B flat and then G again. So that transition looks like this. 3 and 4 and. And then we move to the C and the E flat. The G is staying the same. Once again, try not to put a 5 on that flat because it's a little bit uncomfortable. So C and E flat here, and the G on its own. That happens twice again. So those three chords together look like this. Starting with G, B flat and E flat. 3 and 4 and. Down to D. C and E flat. And lastly, we have finally the thumb moves up to an A flat and then down from the C down to a B. So we have A flat, B and E flat. So the only thing that doesn't move is this one here. And that just holds down for 2 beats. So we've got so that whole sequence looks like this, starting on G, B flat and E flat, 3 and 4 and. Down to D, C and E flat, and hold. Whoops. One more time, slightly slower, 3 and 4 and. Okay, the left hand is really nice and simple. It's just going E flat, D, and then go thumb under, C, A flat. So E flat on the 2, D on the 1. No. It doesn't really matter actually, as long as you start on the E flat with the E, with the 2. And D, C, and then A flat, and they're 2 beats each. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that left hand coincides with all the changes that happen in the right hand. So here we are, E flat with the first one, and then D, C, and then A flat with a hold. Here it is again, 3 and 4 and. And that's what we're looking for today. We're looking for putting those 2 bars together. And then have a go at putting a bit that comes before it. So we had the, sorry, ooh. Yes. And then. Is a new bit we've done today. good luck, and I'll see you for the next time.